Got another product for you people. As you can tell from the title of this video, Tribit StormBox 2. Now, before I get into this and start talking about this, I would be remiss if I didn't talk about the original Tribit StormBox. Now, I reviewed this product right here 5 years ago. I'll put that link in the description. No. Damn, I'm rusty. I'll put that link up here or somewhere in the description. Either way, it will be linked in this video. This product right here has been my go-to mobile speaker for the last 5 years. I listen to it every day in the shower. It went to me to the pool, with me to the beach, on hikes, bike rides, trips, walks, whatever the case may be. If I wanted a mobile speaker with me, this was the speaker that I was bringing with me. It has great sound. It was at a great price, durable and waterproof. I mean, obviously there's competition out there, but for me, this was my go-to. Now, when Tribit reached out to me and asked me to review the StormBox 2, I was like, send it over immediately. And here it is, people. Tribit StormBox 2. So if you're in the market for a new portable speaker, whether it's an upgrade from the one or you just want a brand new portable speaker, stick around. Let's talk about this for a second.
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
Now, before I do get into the unboxing, I did want to run over and show you, I did want to show you the Tribit site really quickly. I have gotten into the habit of doing that just to make sure I don't misspeak on some of the specs. So as you can see right here, this is your Tribit StormBox 2 portable Bluetooth speaker. It's going for $70 and they do give you a coupon code. Now over on Amazon, it's going for $70 as well, and well, they want to do that. And their coupon code is 10%. It's going to be cheaper if you did go on Tribit because the coupon is a little bit higher. But if you want to support the channel, the link down below will be to Amazon. Anything helps. Appreciate you. The StormBox 2 only comes in this one color, which is like a grayish black color. You have 360-degree surround sound. Go ahead and feel free to pause this video whenever you want. I'm not going to stop and read this whole thing to you. Ultra long playback time. You get 24 hours and you also get Bluetooth 5.3 in here. Party ready. TWS mode. Now, for people that don't know, TWS stands for True Wireless Stereo Mode. And what that means is that you can have two of these speakers and you can pair them together and then you can have truly wireless stereo mode. So you can have it either on two sides of a room, whether if it's a party or outside, or you want to hook this up to your TV, you have stereo mode that way. It's just something that the original version didn't do. Obviously, you have your IPX7 waterproof. You also have an app, which I'll go over in a little bit. And here are the differences between the original and the part 2. So you have 34 watts of power, 24 hours of playback time, Bluetooth 5.3, TWS mode, and a Tribit app. And also your charge connection on the part 2 is USB Type-C. Charge connection on the original one is micro USB. Yes, it was 5 years ago, people. That's what they was rocking with back then. So on your original version also, your power output is 24 watts, playtime is 20 hours, Bluetooth 4.2, no TWS mode, and no app. All right, people, so as you unbox this, right on top, you have your USB Type-C. Is this USB Type-C? Yeah, this is a USB Type-C. You have your USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable, your speaker unit right here, and you get literature. So you do not get a charging brick. All you do is get some literature, your speaker, and a charging cable. Tribit didn't want to provide that to you, cut down on cost. I get it. All right, people, so here is the star of the show. Like I said before, it comes in this one color. It's like a dark gray with splats of light gray throughout it. Just like the original one, you have your volume up, your volume down, and your play pause button right here, which I do believe it doubles as track forward and track back. On the back side, you have your power button, you have your Bluetooth button, your X-Base button, and I want to say this is your truly wireless stereo pairing button. So if you have another one, you hit this button over here and you hit it on the other one, and then you'll get some type of audible chime, and then they will be paired together and you can blast away. And then underneath this waterproof cover right here. This is where you'll have your headphone jack and then also your USB Type-C charging port. So I think this thing will be around for 5 more years to come because this one is going to be retired. I might give this to my daughter or something, one of my kids. And this will be my daily driver moving forward. Around this speaker is like a cloth material. I really can't describe how it is. Maybe like a canvas feel, a softer canvas feel. You have a carrying strap right here. You have your subwoofer sections on the top and the bottom, just like the original one. You have a Tribit badge right here at the front bottom. And you also have 4 little feet on the bottom of this speaker. I did forget to mention you have the Tribit logo on the top and the bottom of the speaker as well. So if you were ever in any question of whose speaker this was, they let you know. Nice little subtle branding. I am not mad at that. All right, people, so when you first get your Tribit speaker, what you want to do is go ahead and download this Tribit app right here. I already have it paired to my mobile device. You want to go to your settings, pair it through your Bluetooth settings, and then come back to the app, cut the speaker on, and then it will go through like a search mode and you'll automatically see them show up. And you just click on that and hit connect. I already did all of that, so that's why it just looks like this. So if I click on the speaker right here, here it is. And I'm briefly going to go through this app. I'm not really going to go into complete detail simply because the app is pretty simple. But the main parts that I want to talk to you about is obviously you can see your battery status, and then you have your equalizer tab right here. So you have your presets, bass X off, X bass on, audiobook, classical, rock, and jazz, and you also have customize right here. So if you hit add or you go into the one this was the test one that I set up, you can hit edit, customize on top of that. I can just hit edit. And then here are your various EQ sliders, your highs, mids, and lows right here. I'm not gonna mess with that. I don't want to do that in this video, but I just want to let you know that it's there. And then also underneath settings right here, you do have your device name. You can change your device name. You have firmware version, countdown to shutdown. I have that off right now. It says the device will shut down at the end of a set time. If I did cut that on, then it will obviously set a time that you can do that. I'm going to cut that off. I don't want that. Voice prompt, I got that turned on. Auto shutdown, I got that turned on, and your EQ button right here. So what that means is that, as you can see the back right here, let me see. This is the EQ button I want to say right there. So if it's light is on when one of these are chosen. So I don't have anything chosen right now. So if I went back into the equalizer and I picked the presets and I picked X bass, there you go, it comes on. Now, if I went in, let's see, EQ button, if I wanted to do white light and it did rock, apply. Now, if I go back to the equalizer and then picked rock, the light comes on. So that's what that is. With the light off, that means that the X bass is off, but you can also have the light off for one of these other ones as well. And then with the light on, you can choose one of these. I think I made it a little more complicated than it should have been. Sorry about that. And yeah, people, you have your volume slider, play, pause, play, track forward, track back, and that's the app in a nutshell. Actually, that's a full rundown of the app, not no damn nutshells around here, people. All right, people, so now that we got that part out the way, it's time to let y'all hear how this sounds. Now, I know people out there, they're like, hey, you should have played this, blah, blah, blah. You should have played this, should have played that, when I don't play the speaker, but it's not gonna obviously sound as good as it sounds in person. All I can do is play it and let you hear my reaction or see my reaction to how this actually sounds. But give me 1 second, let me cue some music up. So here's a track right here from Donnell Mace. It's on Epidemic Sound, so royalty free. I should be good money. And let's go. And this obviously is turned all the way down. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it up halfway. That's halfway. X boost on, X bass on. Now I'm gonna turn up full blast. right, people. I don't want to bore you with running through track, but while I was searching for a track to listen to, I've listened to multiple tracks and they all sound really, really well, in my opinion. And I just have it on a preset. I know that if I were to go in there and try to fine tune the EQ to exactly how I want it to sound, it would sound probably that much better, but that's not me. I just find a preset and I let it rock that way. As long as there's no sound distortion and it gets as loud as I want, I'm good money when it comes to all of that stuff. In 2025, people, I'm going to be short and to the point when it comes to sound quality. This sounds really well to my ears. If that doesn't work for you, I'm pretty sure there's tons of other videos that do review this product and they give you more breakdown of the sound quality if you're into that. But on this channel, people, I apologize. I'm just not going to get that in depth when it comes to sound quality. It's loud, no distortion. The bass sounds good for me. I'm good. I mean, yeah, the highs and the mids, blah, 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 all that good stuff. It sounds good to my ears, people. I like it. Sound quality, good enough. And that's all I got for you, people. You know what? I'm gonna just take a quote from the big homie Flossie Carter. This is a major, major, major go. And that's all I got. As always, if this is your first time here or you found any value in this video whatsoever, please smash that subscribe button down below. And don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified when I drop my next tech video. As always, people, thank you for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.